Hi, I'm Julie, and this is Melanie. I just met Melanie today for the first time after coming up to the farm for close to 10 months now. And because we come up once a week and different days, we just have never met before. Turns out Melanie and I are on the same lesson. We're almost finished with our internet lessons. I'm on lesson 10, and so are you. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, and so interesting enough, we were both enjoying this program, and I was just going to ask Melanie what she's gotten out of it so far.
One of the things we really enjoy coming here is that the kids can just run and play with the dirt, and are involved in planting. For example, Orlando has planting the spring onion. And so that was really great, and they really enjoy it, and I think it's very important for the kids to learn, what kind of vegetables they eat.
What I've gotten out of coming up here to Kesselin Farm is that I'm now growing nutritious foods and therefore able to take that in and nourish my body with those elements that the plants have. I find that it's great for my health. I've learned to appreciate vegetables more, and I'm now juicing coming up here, and the lessons that I do at home as well is actually just the confidence that I can do this on my own, that I can plant healthy vegetables, nutritious food for myself and my family, which is very important for my health. I've learned how important it is to make sure that the soil content is correct and just right for the plants to grow.
Well, see, that's a very similar point that I actually started to get aware of. I always thought, watering and fertilizing is the key thing to growing vegetables, but I never really, thought that it's the soil that I have to nurture. And so I think that was my biggest thing that I've learned. And also we had many trees that we just recently put in the garden, and they just didn't grow, and I couldn't understand what's happening. And since I've been coming here, and I saw this layer of mulch all around the tree, I thought, all right. So straight away went back home and applied all this, and yeah, it's even starting to look really good at home now.
Yes, and that's the great thing. What we're learning here, we can take with us anywhere and make sure that we're eating healthy and our families are eating healthy as well. One important thing that I've learned, I think, is that pests are just as important as nutrients as far as the farm goes. They're here for a reason, and that's something I need to know. That I need to find out why they're here and how I can correct if there's any problems with the plants. So yeah, it's been a wonderful experience. I've learned a lot. I enjoy coming up here. I meet lots of people with same interests as mine, and we share and learn from each other. It's a wonderful program, and I would recommend it